Assalamu Alaykom. Hi, my name is Egypa Balindong. Today I'm going to show you what's in my bag, but just the stationery stuff. I'm not going to show you everything, just the fun stuff. So this bag right here, thank you so much Ate Chanel. I've been using this bag for quite a long time na kasi sobrang laki niya, marami kang mailalagay. But I usually, whenever I'm working or when I'm traveling, I bring a different kind of bag, yung backpack ko. But for this video, just for the aesthetics of it, I'm gonna show you this bag with its content. Okay, so why don't we start the video? Okay, so first of all, nakahiligan ko lang talagang magkaroon ng mga journals way back then, but mas lalo siyang naging matibay when I started working, when I started traveling a lot, because my thoughts are very chaotic, so I need something where I can put down all of the things in my mind, and I don't like using my phone, putting all my information on my phone, like tap, ganyan lang, and then that's it. But I'm not really a fan of it. I'd rather write it in an actual paper using an actual pen. I'm not really a fan of putting everything on your notes. Kasi what if wala yung phone mo, diba? I have 2 notebooks right here. Ito na yung pang second, and I don't know, like a third notebook this year because I've been using a lot of notebook. Madali ko siyang mapuno. I have a lot of diary, I have a lot of journal. It's embarrassing to have one of those, but I still keep my old diary since I was, I don't know, like I was 14. I like them. I love writing. Parang kahit hindi ako magaling na writer, dun ko mas napapractice yung writing. Because I have 2 notebook right here. This pink one and the other one is in color black. So this is my main notebook, like the burn book from the movie Mean Girls. First thing na meron ako dito, I have this, which, ay hindi pala ito dapat kasali. So this one, meron na ako mga extra tabs. This is for the books whenever I'm reading. Lalagay ako ng tabs kapag gusto ko yung nababasa ko, or if you're gonna gift me something, let it be something related to stationery. I would really appreciate that. And then eto, yan, mga notepads. I have a lot of notepads right here. I have, ano ba meron dito? Passport, passbook, vaccine card ng mga anak ko. I have my own vaccine card. And then I have, oh my gosh, my phone. I have extra wires. And then the last one na kasama sa stationery stuff ko is my first pencil case was actually from transparent yellow pencil case. Oh my god, I'm mumbling. It's a yellow transparent pencil case that it's actually a freebie during a game sa Cebu Pacific, and they were giving away this pencil case and I got those. But hindi nagkakasya lahat, so I have to buy another one, and this is a bigger one, and it fits a lot of things. Actually, meron pa siyang mga konting spaces. Last thing I'm gonna show you is, this is a gift from Hijab PH. This is actually a planner. I have never bought a planner in my whole entire life because, as I've said, my thoughts are very chaotic. I very much prefer having a notebook na plain lang or walang laman, parang ganito, kasi I'm very free to write everything down that I want to write. But the problem with that, sometimes I cannot find important information kasi sobrang dami ng nilalagay ko, dinidikit ko, like very crumpled in a single place. So hindi mo alam kung nasaan ba yung sinulat ko kanina, saan ba yung information na yon. Thank you so much Hijab PH for sending me this planner. I'm gonna unbox it for you. Unbox ko na pala, I'm so sorry. So it comes in a box, and then meron siyang laman, isa-isahin natin. A bookmark, which is very important. You call this one? This is, I think, mga pages na pwede mong i-cut and ilagay or idikit mo sa planner. And it comes with a calendar. This is a 2023 calendar. And then the actual planner itself. Dates, I mean the months right here, January, February, March, April up to December. It's right there. And every time na example you're gonna start, for example, this one is from January, parang meron siyang epic drawing, and then meron siyang mga motivational stuff, words on the other side of the page. So pare-pareho lang din naman yung laman ng kanyang mga pages every month. So then it's March. It's very cute actually. And meron din siyang parang sa last page, like blank spaces na pwede mong idikit yung andito, or you know, whatever you want to put. Organized. What I love about this planner, it's very, very organized. Like, tas boxes na nandun lahat ng dates, days, and then ano yung gagawin mo within that day. Pang list, for example, for the day, for Sunday, what are you gonna do for Sunday. Ang dami ng laman. Meron pa tayong finance tracker. So, you gotta track your expenses for that month. It's very Muslim friendly. If you look right there, it has my goals, action plans, and then dunya and akhirah. It's right there. Para hindi mo naman nakakalimutan yung sobrang pagka-busy mo. Cute nito. Like, this will come very, very handy. Ang cute ng Muslim character niya. So that's it for the planner from Hijabi PH. Thank you very much. This will come very, very handy. And ngayon, mas mo organize ko na yung thoughts ko. Mas organize ko na yung time ko, yung schedule ko, yung plan ko ahead of time without losing all this information that I wrote. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko, saan ko nilagay yun? Nandito. So, at the very first page, it says, Egypa Balindong, everything that's work and business related. So, it's here. Everything is right here. Saying that I do keep a notebook whenever, before I'm going to bed. Meron akong notebook beside my table because whenever, sa gabi kasi parang doon pumapasok lahat ng mga great ideas mo. I don't know, just for me, ganun Like, doon pumapasok lahat ng mga great ideas ko. Or whenever I have a dream and then I woke up in the middle of the night, I have to write that down kasi, oh, this is a really, really good story. And I feel like I just need to put that down on paper para ma-remember ko siya the next day. So, most of my ideas sometimes came from a dream or pag nag-overthink ako ng madaling araw or pag gabi and I have to write that down. Oh yeah, this is a trailer idea that I want to do in the future. And ayan, ginawan ko na siya ng script, ginawan ko na ng sequence, the length, what's the grading, what's the tone of the video, like everything. Nilalagay ko siya para very, very specific kapag darating na yung araw na gusto kong gawin. Right here, it says the Bangsamoro Nation, everything that I've learned within the week. Ilalagay ko din dyan. Ito naman, expenses. See? Parang gusto ko lang dinidikit lahat. Ano pa meron dito? Ayan, like long-term plans. What are my plans for that day, for that month, for that week? What are my priorities? Para siyang scrapbook na hindi mo maintindihan kung scrapbook ba or hindi. Book. Ito naman ito wala nang aesthetic purpose. This is just for writing down all the things na pumapasok bigla sa isip ko. Example, magkano kaya yung sweldo ng ganito? So, I have to write that down. For yung design ng gusto kong bahay, nilalagay ko dyan. So, hindi nawawala yung mga ideas ko. Para in the future, I can go back to a notebook, I can go back to my old journals, my diaries, and I wrote this down before. Or is this me? Parang doon ko nalalaman na meron para akong character development. Kasi, yung mindset ko when I was like 18 is very, very different now that I'm 24. Super fast na details, like ano yung mga kinain ko ng November 1 and 2. With the help of this, these are the things na notepads. I have a lot of notepads with me, different colors, more likely just yellow and pink. Please give me a notepad with the tabs because whenever I'm trying to read, I have to keep a tab with me para alam ko yung mga details na nagustuhan ko. And this is my name and this is my signature para pag may magpapa-autograph. Charot! May magpapa-autograph. Madali lang. Akin na, nagmamadali kasi ako. Pak, ganon. Mabilis lang. Different pens right here. Mostly kinuha ko sa office yan. And then I have highlighters. I just keep 2 highlighters. And then I have tape glue para pag ididikit ko yung mga notes ko sa sorry. Para pag ididikit ko yung notes ko sa notebook, hindi siya madaling mawala. And then I have this one. Ano yung tawag dito? Like the white erasure thing. I have color pens. Yeah. So, that is the content of my bag when it comes to my stationery stuff. Hope you guys enjoy it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. If you want like a bag rate or what do I really have in my bag other than my stationery stuff, do let me know and I will make that one for you. Bye!